The result is not in their hands. All they have to do.
T20 career, 24 matches, strike rate of 1.
Then they can think about the next. Talk about thinking. Wonderfully struck through the gap. Timed well enough to reach the boundary. So the first four.
This has all the shots, Maaz Sadakat. He's slightly over pitched, a class infield and racing away to the boundary. What a start for him. He is a precocious talent. At the end of 12 without loss.
A beautiful flick taken from the middle.
Talent. This is ball pass point. First boundary of Naeem's bat.
Into the gap. It was short and wide, asking to be hit. Yeah.
Naeem crunches it into the barricades.
Yeah, this is not good bowling. Pitching it this time a cross-seamer and in the length. That is a loose delivery.
Boom. Along the carpet.
His own length going through the inner ring on the offside.
Chance for a catch. It's not so sweet for Mohammad Naeem. The Shaheens lose their first.
Again, his eyes. That is where you got to look as a batter. And 30 after 3.4 overs.
As Ratnayaka comes in for a second, he thought he was being clever. But Maaz Sadakat...
But even then, he was able to get it away for a straight... Yes, he is done brilliantly. But of course, the luck has...
Again, a slow delivery. Picked up.
Once again, a slow one, but in the slot. Giving it over mid-off. Maaz Sadakat. And I think it also stayed a touch low as well. And this is...
It stills in...
that you go for. Wonderful take by the field.
Would you believe it? It's the first time in this tournament that it's gone.
Well, it's the wrong idea. The ball is the onside when there's a long on in place. So that is an... And yeah, when you are that you go for. Wonderful take by the field.
Wonderfully judged catch by Ramesh. This is the first time we're saying it. Maaz Sadakat is back in the pavilion. 11th innings in his T20 career. A strike rate of 190.
Have a look at the stroke again. The ball going away. It's again. And finally, you held out to a wonderful effort by the
wind. So he had misjudged it initially and then had to track back to catch it. Pike starts off with a huge innings.
That's the kind of player. In his first 5 appearances, he scored 202 hits. Ain't gonna do it. It has to be a rival in a semi-final match.
I was just about to say steals a single. 7 for 2.
Praveen Mathew. He smashed his first ball in the last over from Miranda. Ball of the 6th over trying to go over the maximum. He throws it away.
And many for Muhammad Faiq, who smashed a 6 hitting the distance. Sahana Rachige keeping his eye on the ball and taking it. He's 47 for 3.
Very experienced there. Shot drifting away when fine leg and square leg in the circle. That's a danger.
Now, well, Yasir's reputation to his batting was a brilliant innings.
Bouncer. Deep square leg fielder in place and takes a good from deep square leg. Never easy diving forward.
Lask and boundaries have just not been coming. 6 deliveries and tries to heave that into the hands of Krushpule, who keeps his eyes on the ball. Brilliant, good length. Yasir Khan has to walk back, scoring 6. Shaheens are
in their full swing. The spectators over there having a party. Is it outside edge? Is it? It is! It's over of his spell. Dunitha Lalage took a chance by Khan.
He's not bowling, he's conducting a magic. Never easy, but safely taken. We pay and one more in the process. From 2 for 5. Is there's heartbeat for the Sri Lanka. Hey, Maha, what are you doing here? You should
Goes through, but not yet. Shaheens have still got...
absolutely, and the mystery has been so hard. It's a big blow. Irfan Khan is a one
Shot. Nicely placed. The fielder behind square. Lalage on a slow surface. When it's shot, ample time.
curse. I was praising it. All of a sudden he bowls it. Who can bat for sure? And just...
Got a friend of Sri Lanka, Fidai. You never should be to our country. Lalage had short extra cover. Got a hand to it. If not, would have...
Yeah, well, it's important, Halawage, over there. It's always nice to be there. And
Lovely ball. 6 runs from the... Also, it's a time for a drinks break.
Four overs, but hats off to Lalage.
Nicely cut away. What a shot.
Ghazi's inside edge. There'll be strokes.
Nicely cut away. Was boundary written all over it. Shot really well.
Convert it into a boundary. Otherwise, you would be putting pressure on your there, which is what, because the batters to come are Daniel, Aziz, Mukim, Ubaid. They cannot really go after the bowlers.
They've got some driven straight to the field, dot ball, good comeback. Sri Lanka in the 2023 Under-19 Asia Cup picking up 7 wickets.
There's an appeal there. Umpire unmoved there, but Sanket's
Got a bit of finger on that occasion. Seen Sri Lanka producing so many. He's one of them.
That's very important to back them. All of the 13th over, 91 for 5 Shaheens.
3 wickets. Projected scores 140 if they go about this rate. 7 runs. Amit Lalage comes in. What I like about him is he's not afraid to toss the ball up.
This tournament, ball in the air. Fielder underneath, drops it from Sri Lankan fielders. The captain's not very happy. Is it?
Stravin Matthew on that occasion. Straight forward, in and out. Worked away on the onside. End of another very good over from Lalage. Just 4 coming from it. Good away. Will only get a single.
He's going to carry on playing this way because that is the way he plays. About earlier, Daniel to come next, then Aziz, then Mukim and Ubaid.
Swing and a miss. I think
Didn't get that speed to play that stroke.
lose it again. Not getting that elevation. A while since the last boundary. Ahmed all the way for maximum. And he feels now is the time.
Bowlers, but Mathud really not timing the ball. So Gauri.
Again cheeky. Just over the field.
That was pressure on the bowler. The previous delivery, short delivery outside the off stump. Didn't have to do much. And he knows it himself, the bowler.
For Shaheens, after 15, they are 108 for 5.
53 for 2 from 7 to 15 into his last over. Partnership of 47.
Yeah, very, very important partnership in the context of our. This is going to be out. Straightforward decision. Got going. Saad Masood, all he wanted to do should have.
I'd say that Masood went with the turn. It's action needed, the risk needed. Good start, very good start. Straight, no loss. In the next 24 deliveries has done.
Yes, poor choice of a shot, predetermining.
Pakistan shines the middle order and the late bowling and kept doing the basics right for a all the time. Single 2 in the 16th over. Shot, beautiful hit. That's power for you. Oh,
Making room and hitting it through the extra cover region.
a lot. No means any slogging. Watching the ball till the last moment. Oh, extra cover, he goes again. Pace on, and 2 coming down the track, treating Sanket like a space.
Coming down the ground and placing it towards extra cover. 1 in the air, 1 along the carpet.
The slow delivery has developed over more than a year ago. And back-to-back slow delivery. And making it with ease. Nuno de Fernando, the field at deep intricate field. Pick out the bowler. Projected scores 11 runs per over. You get Pakistan shines to 1. Long on field lane. The deep mid-wicket field in fact. Sana Arachige, no timing at all from Ghazi.
Last over clearly sliding down the leg side.
Slogs it. And up the game for a long time. Runs with the bat in the previous.
Again, Madhushan in the attack and among wickets once more. Doing what's they like. And a good catch running forward. Taken low down by the fielder and making sure that the jerk isn't going to take them to 7 for 7.
Beautifully bowled, wicket to wicket, back of the... That man again, Sana Arachige sprinting in.
It was a slow one actually, and reason why the batter wasn't able to time it. At wicket.
We had the best 5 catches been... Just got the confirmation, we played it this morning. Pumps it down the ground, ran across to his left and kept the run over delivery. That's something that Pramod Madhushan got to be a little bit important. Slower delivery. I don't think it'll carry to the sweeper cover field. Garuka Sanket, the action very similar to Lasith Malinga. Shot. He picked the bones out of that. He can tonk the ball. Certainly he did in the last delivery.
At this. Wonderful striking.
Slower delivery. Picks it up. Long off fielder. Oh, who took a stunner in the previous over of Prabhu. Unlucky for Sri Lanka. Arachige palms it over for a maximum.
In the end, another 6, important 6. Look at this effort. Wow. Could have been a great grab.
He had ample pace behind him. Outside the off stump. Finds the field at catches. In this competition, the deep. Shot. What a shot, Daniel. With that 6, brings up the 154, the Shaheens.
Ahmed Daniel, De Villiers, converts this Yorker length delivery into a 6.
I did mention if Daniel can make his highest score or beaten and outside edge and given. Trying to squeeze it past the third man for a boundary with third man in the circle.
Change the strategy with so much muscle. He shouldn't be looking to go cute in this fashion. Yeah. Once again, batter falling. 22 of 8 he made. Shaheens 151 for 8.
Certainly goes for it. And Milan Ratnayake takes it easily. And his 4th wicket.
Bottom of the bat. Ratnayake, the fielder, completes a 6 for naught. Shaheens 151 for 9.
At number 11, Sufyan Mukim, the left-arm wrist spinner for Shaheen. Slower delivery. Following the batter. Pramod Madhu. Slower delivery or Yorker, not too sure, but a clever delivery. 4 overs, 4 for 29, the most experienced 3 overs after being put into bat.
Ghazi Ghauri, the standout batter for Pakistan Shaheens, 39 of all. Then in the end, 24 of 12 for Ahmed Daniel and Ghazi Ghauri, ending.
A couple of seamers up top on a slow service. Get inside, which comes out hurt. 153 for 6, 39 of 36. This will be decided for the Sri Lanka. Lasith Cruz Pulle looks like he's going to open the batting.
24 games, 584 runs, a very impressive strike rate. His partner, strike rate of 132, 650, so very capable batter. Me, in the box, is Sheikh Maz.
All Rising Stars Asia Cup after beating Hong Kong by 7 wickets.
New ball. Now is the time to deliver for young Gobert.
Edged and 4. On top of it, still getting that leading edge. Lucky.
Take the top edge, is going to fly over the slate. Not the place to bowl.
And up in the air. He'll go all the for Kruspulle to pull that one. Though he didn't middle it.
And go to the youngster and tell him not to bowl this length. This is a... Yes, you are quick, but... Buck also...
Again shot, wide, punished, absolutely
Absolutely, there is no other explanation of this time. And he's been taken to the cleaners by...
the moment, not defending a big target. Keeper. And slightly on the shorter side again, not bowling.
Very casual, as if he's just bowling in the warm-ups.
Picked away nicely, fielder at deep square leg, could ball again.
Brilliant stroke this, great use of the wrist. Ball, what he has done. Wonderful stroke this. No...
Sri Lankan flag flies high. Why not? They've got up and over. What a shot! Kruspulle, outstanding.
Beautifully broke for the third time. Inside, will have to rethink his strategy. At the moment.
Slow delivery, well disguised, nicely taken. This is how you come back. Shaheen strike.
He was into the shot lot before than the ball arrived, and in the end diving in front. This is what Pakistan team would need. Fast bowler. Sid Kruspulle gets 27 out of those 29.
.750s, strike rate of just over 114. It's off the mark immediately. On his T20 debut, picked up 4 for 20 in his 4 of this. Outstanding slower delivery and a very good catch in the end.
Running forward, completing a very important catch and giving Pakistan...
And back of a length, straight to the fielder. Dot ball to finish the over. Madushka just get off the mark as Kruspulle scored those 20.
Much better line this. He has to bowl stump to stump and allow the batters to get away with the...
That's much better from Ubaid.
Yeah, I think Pakistan fielders think that do not serve any purpose.
Inside edge, lucky for Halambage. Boundary.
Yeah, goes to the boundary. Is always lucrative for the batting side.
Swing and a miss.
Well, but still, the feet were nowhere. 23 for no loss, and Sri Lanka off to a flyer. 35 they are.
Pulled away. Oh! End of over number. Halambage on 10. Alongside Madushka.
Ex-spinner, 20 matches, 13 wickets. Economy on the higher side.
Started off with a poor delivery. Shot.
Why not? He starts on the absolute with the lines and length, and also need to pick up wickets.
4 boundaries and 4 sixes so far. There's a deep mid-wicket in place and also a short mid-wicket. Huge shout, given! The big wicket of Madushka. Trapped, plumb in front.
The umpire had no hesitation in judging it leg before wicket. Now lose the second one for 45.
Nishan Madushka, the pass after scoring 6. Sri Lanka into the 4th over. Shaheen's picked up the second wicket of Sri Lanka. And holds a lot flat.
Yeah, he's not a big spin. Have a look at this. Trapped inside the crease. Ad Masood, first over, comes in, picks up the wicket.
Again, slightly on the shorter side, bowls that googly well. Not out. This is a better line from Masood. Beautiful. Oh, nicely bowled. 46 for 2. Lanka air ahead of Pakistan. Shaheen's at this stage, but they lost one more wicket. They need 108 of 96.
Starting.
Good delivery. Nicely played. Gives credit to former Pakistan pace bowling legend Waqar Yunus while work.
Poor from the keeper. Slow one, and he's just let it go by the keeper. It was well bowled by Shahid. Deceived the bat.
It's the wicket keeper who missed it completely.
Sri Lanka 52 for 2 with the bat, and now in the field.
On the up, gone all the way for Max.
When your bowler is doing well and the fielders are not bowling in the slot. Action. Sri Lanka add 6 to their total.
Poor delivery, nicely disguised. End of an eventful over after 5.
Ugly. Saad Masud have been really impressive in the first over. Vishen Halamage, excellent hit down the ground.
You go home. Oh, couldn't place it.
Giving himself room. There you go. That's a slog. That's the other non-strikers then. Yeah, he's going to have a chat to his young partner. That shot, that got to be put away. And he does put away in standard 26 of the competition.
This is what exactly was a long hop. Taking it was a silly shot to play.
And the red straight to the pads off. It's been raining sixers ever since the DP World. Ugly again. And very well fielded at short third. 67 for 2. Some lusty blows when he's batting 22 of 8. He comes in, played away, coming down the track. Vishen Halamage.
I was just going to ask you, why is he panicking?
Short ball, slow ball bounce. Raw, exciting. Daniel banging into the pitch.
This is where you show maturity.
Probably a bit of glove. A valiant attempt. Mehboob Khan, the umpire from Afghanistan, that
Yeah, trying too hard off the ones you got to get if you want to impress.
bowling and Gauri's behind the stumps, and he has an helmet and behind it penalty runs. I think this is where the game awareness common a reserve player can pick it up, and when the spinner bowls in the next.
Halamage wanting to go after everything.
That's better. That's better. Nice high elbow. Sensible actors. I think Halamage has got a wonderful opportunity in a semi.
Telling him what to do. Reminded me of so many times.
Sensible by Noni Fernando. 7 runs at 6.15 needed. All Sri Lanka come spinner into the attack. Impressive economy rate. 6.8. Quick, is that inside edge? Lifted his arm, not too sure what for.
They have to win. He'll play a very important role here.
That is previous delivery. Ghazi Gauri batted well. Very good with that. Flat trajectory, and something he has pitching outside the leg. Probably no.
Round the umpire was very sure. Oh. Going to be a very important spell from Mukim. If gone for 5, 74 for 3.
Half centurion from the last game against Bangladesh walks out. Yep. What a time to be the finish. Nice and quick again into the pitch. The previous dismissal.
That's close as well. That's close as well. In his first over, Mukim. And we were just talking about he will have to get wickets. And he says.
Cricket through the air. Nice and straight. Crashing to the middle stump. That was we predicted. A wrist spin ball in the middle overs will be the key. Sri Lanka is 75 for 4. Sensibly played by Wellalage off the mark. There's a couple of wickets in that over. 76 for 4. Beautifully bowled again. Watch out for Daniel's off cutters. That body in the skipper. Punit Wellalage at number 6.
This is how got out.
A good stop by Wellalage. Yeah, Halamage had a golden opportunity. I thought he was undone. And
32 runs of the last 30 against Bangladesh that gave them that victory. So
This has been a good effort so far by the off-cut, and it grips as well. Good cricket, good delivery, solid defence by San.
What they need to do for some time. Build up.
Gunit Lalage in his stance for the outcome of the game.
Fielding, uses his bowlers pretty well.
Loose delivery and picks up a wicket. Fielder at deep sweeper. Thought the ball was. He's found the fielder at sweeper cover.
Yeah, but this is what happened. Didn't really go for it. And that is why good catches today from both teams. But look at this.
Throwing it away. Got to see some loose strokes. It's just the 3 deliveries so far been phased, and he's been certainly a capable batter. Saw Sufian Mukim now probably drifting down the legs. Appeal.
This is how Lalage went. Absolutely.
Rashid Ali just having a word with the skipper towards the umpire. Yeah, confirmation from the cricketing rule book clearly says that you cannot charge.
Yeah, but when situations show that they are the ones who are controlling the game.
Ramesh Mendis will be facing his first. Oh, beautifully bowled by Sufyan.
Fixing them so well. Look at that googly.
Irfan Khan probably can. Well, it's so well, and this time Ramesh Mendis second over. No answers.
That wasn't the length to go on the back foot. Mixing his delivery as well, and look at that.
Fences of Ramesh Mendis, who gone without scoring. Sri Lanka A. Sufyan. What a spell! What a spell!
Yeah, and Farid, we were talking about that he gets fabulous delivery from 74 for 2 to 79 for 6.
Oh, beaten, genuinely beaten. That time is C for Mukim. Altogether 10 overs done, 80 for 6.
Around when Halambage was there looking comfortable, that Sri Lanka A. Fidai joins me in the commentary box. The equation is still simple, Fidai. In the next 10 they still... But the momentum has shifted like a pendulum.
There has been a sort of a collapse for the Sri Lanka A. Turn things around here.
You can't do that though. That release is next to Ghazi Gori wouldn't have been able to stop that.
Not been to the mark, and is the reason why they have been among runs. But still, that is quick, that is going away, and that runs down to the 5 runs.
Not a good day at the office for Ubaid Shah. Russ bowling.
Well, looking-ized player who can still bring Sri Lanka A home a loss of 69 and built some great parts. You say it's simple, 68 or 58, but remember, Sufyan Mukim has got...
Goes past the fielder. Apart from Sufyan Mukim, has not been deployed yet in Maha Sadakat.
Yeah, you're absolutely spot on. Why not? Yes, a couple of wickets did come. But the equation of 6, Sri Lanka A.
Meanwhile, back-to-back 3.
Why take away the rhythm? Why generation, which is 11 of 11 at this stage, that can take this game.
2 lefties, leading edge, there you go. The googly does his job, Masood does his job.